Hello viewers, this is Scholarship for Ethiopia. Welcome back once again. Today we'll be looking at colleges and universities that are accepting international students from all over the world. Some people might think countries close their borders because of the pandemic for people who want to study abroad. But don't worry. Today we will show you how you can find the list of institutions that the Government of Canada give permission to accept international students. As you can see here, when you go to the Government of Canada official website, you can find this information, and therefore, as you can see, the coronavirus disease designated learning institutions reopening to international students. Under this title, you'll find a list of institutions that have the COVID-19 readiness plan. This information was released as of October 20th, 2020, and therefore, in case you were making your school or university search before that time, you may want to recheck if these institutions are listed under this, which is the COVID-19 Readiness Plan DLI. So what you need to do here is to answer the questions that are listed on this page. So the first question that you see here is which school level are you going into? And you can scroll down and you can choose. What I've chosen is post-secondary school, and therefore and then I'll pass to the next question, which asks in which province or territory the type of school where you are searching is located. And therefore you also need to scroll down and choose the province or territory in which the post-secondary school is located. As you can see here, I chose the province Alberta, and as soon as I did that, as you can see, there are many universities listed under this, which have the COVID-19 readiness plan and which are designated by the Government of Canada. So after having all this information, you can check whether your school is listed here or not, which will help you to make your decision. Please subscribe and like our video. We will highly appreciate it. See you on our next video.